good? What's good? Is Kennedy here with Static DFW, the biggest resale consignment shop in Texas, and we stamped that. So today I'm here with RESHOEVN8R, man, one of the biggest clean and shoe products in the game or in the world.
Appreciate that.
And we stamped that as well too. So we have a 4-series question we're gonna ask you.
Okay.
Answer to the best of your ability and to the best of your knowledge. So the first question is this: you being a part of the company and you seeing the company's growth, you can ballpark it or answer. Give me a expanded answer. What's the biggest bag y'all done seen off of like a drop? Like if y'all did a sale during a 1-day sale, what's the biggest amount you'd never seen the company make?
I mean that's kind of getting into. I mean we've had like Black Friday sales, you know what I'm saying, for the holidays that have lasted, a good 3-4 days, and it's been 10 in the upper tens of thousands of that's the ballpark.
So would y'all ever say that?
I don't want to brag or boast or anything like that.
No, for real. Did y'all say I've made like up to like 6 figures in a day?
I plead the fifth on that.
No, for sure. Okay, so my second question is this: when you guys started seeing the money roll in, for just the young guys that's looking up under you guys and stuff like that want to start their own company and not necessarily have to be like shoe cleaning products and stuff like that, what's the best purchase you've seen the company make in terms of an investment? And it's a 2-part question. And then what's the dumbest mistake or investment that they've put into the company?
The best investment a company can make, honestly, is in their people.
Gotcha. No, I'm saying, what's the best investment RESHOEVN8R made?
In our people, our people.
Gotcha.
Having the right people keeps the engine going.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying?
And what would you say is like the dumbest mistake?
Hiring third-party companies. You know what I'm saying?
That's always it.
Yeah, a lot of like outside companies, have. They sell you the world and what they're capable of doing. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes they fall short.
Okay.
So definitely, the people is the biggest investment and the best investment you can make.
My third question is this, boss. If you
Good question too, by the way.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And then my third question is this: if you would have any advice, because you obviously have advice on scaling the company, if you can give out a little bit of the sauce, but not too much of it, just so that way you can inspire the next young person coming up, what's a little bit of the sauce you can give for them to apply to their own company?
Dedication. I mean, that's not, that's not giving up any secrets. Honestly, consistency, dedication, and being as innovative as possible is what it's all about.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Even when things get a little too hard or there's challenges, you have to rise above and just keep going. Sure. If you don't keep your eye on the prize, you're never gonna reach the goal.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
And OG, I just wanted to stand here and give you y'all flowers, man. I pray next year I make up to $1 billion, man. For real, for real.
Appreciate
yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.